Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ekenekwa m na anyị bịakwa ọzọ ka anyị si abịa n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko a sị na Gentle De Yahoo akọlụgo out Ijele. Unu ma na few days ago Ijele je ka podcast pụta si na ya nwasuru Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ebe ọ nọ. Asari dokubo si na ya nwasuru ime onye ọbụla si na ya nwasuru. So Maazị Nnamdi Kanu case na-adịgo complicated, amaazị onye suru eme. All asọsọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na Nigerian government ma ndị bịa suo eme. Ebe mmadụ na-atọ apụta bụ sofa na asị na ahụ nwasuru eme. Now, kezi onye anyị believe is to show that these people were fighting Maazị Nnamdi Kanu too and does not even have one voice. So nwoke ma wee pụta Gentle De Yahoo wepụta wee release a voice recording which I will play mgbe nkwuchala okwu. Ọ wụọ na Ijele seriously. Ọ sị Ijele that he will come for Ijele. Let her go. So he will come for Ijele. Mgbe me video which you know some of the errors and damage and what their next plan to invade our nearby. I put out those videos for you people to see. Because now, onye Hausa you see from north that invade their nearby without only Igbo Idogalia, which Ijele have done successfully. Which Ijele did successfully. He did it very, very well. And I got someone couldn't in that video. We also got any agent to tell in a comment section. Called the panel boys on the buy.
My wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location, wherever that you are listening me from. I greet you all. I still remain as your humble brother, Ifeanyi Chukwu Orientaza, aka Gentle De Yahoo. I am up today being 24th of April 2026. The reason of me now coming up is this. I have decided not to talk again. But I want to make it clearly. Let me use our language because Oku and Agara, our people being the Biafrans. But before I proceed, I have to appreciate all lovers of freedom and all supporters of freedom all over the continent. I greet you all. And I wish all of you long life and prosperity. I think and I appreciate each and every one of you for your effort and support over Biafra struggle and Biafran agitation. We must fight this fight to the end, and we are winning the war. We are winning the war. I repeat, we are winning the war, and we must fight to the end. And also, I want to appeal to our people. I want to appeal to our people for everyone to keep fighting, remain resolute, for we are winning this war. Biafra is yours, Biafra or nothing, whether they like it or not. But please and please, Biafra land is so much calm right away, and we merit. We make it how it is now. But I want to use this a wonderful opportunity to send this message to the people of Okigwa. Udele is a bastard. Udele is a son of the beach. Udele is Mr. Nobody. And I told me make a maranka for somebody na pota online on social media lamenting, talking rubbish, videoing some areas in Omawa, telling the people that look at what Biafra is, it how Biafra will be. That is why I came up today, being 24th of April, to analyze it clearly and to the understanding of our own people. These are the Eflef Igbos, you know. I know that Igbos is great and Igbos must be great. Biafrans is great and the Biafra must be great. Whether all this Eflef, missing blood, bastards, all these people at Rima during the time on Nehabaga also Ahuga Goga onions, so let's say tomatoes, say les usuary are causes of nonsense. You forgot the time you sent your enemies. You sent the enemies to Omawa. Each of Rogue sent your enemies, flying in uniform, down to Omawa. You forgot it. Something that has happened far back ago. Okay, go no Moranya. These are the enemies. These are the strategical way how to reach your enemies into your land. Now Okigwe is calm. I told them that it offer Google. You see all this flav, Igbo flav, all this flani blows. Naija Nara hope was at the Maego. deceiving hope, collecting money from hope, telling hope that these people is so place. They know where they are. They will go and conquer. They will go, conquer and come back. All these people are slaves. I don't have much to tell you people. Okigwe mepe na yamono na anya. Everywhere is calm. At least the people of Okigwe can testify it. And the way Okigwe is very okay. Let no one be deceived by all these slave flanny bloods. I am telling you people, let no one be deceived by all these idiotic people that are deceiving themselves, videoing a place, all those areas, or flying in uniform. General Wahana Biafra Liberation Army, name meeting. How about those places? You have burnt it down. The next thing not there, where the zinc as you call us a criminals, stupid elements, idiotic human being. When you directed them, when you instructed them that those people are over there having their meeting, that is where they are doing their meetings. What do you expect them to do? A flavor flying in uniform that can't even build a house, that can't even achieve a property. This is how you people have been moving around, looting people's properties, setting people's houses ablaze. After all said and done, you people will turn against Biafrans. You people will turn it to us that we are the one doing. We are the one doing it. Stupid elements. And anyone or anyone that want to make all this kind of thing, because I know they are moving around buying people, instructing them what to do, how to castigate the men on ground, how to castigate Biafrans, how to destroy all the good work of this struggle. This is one thing I want everyone to know. I want everyone to know this today, being 24th of April. Now they are still moving around. Gentle is in Okigwe. I am not in Okigwe. You people should stop propagandering. I am not in Okigwe, but I really appreciate Chukwu Kabiama today that Okigwe is calm. Okigwe must be calm, and Okigwe must be better again. For your information, going to the government or deceiving the government by showing them video, pictures, that this is the handwork of Biafra Liberation Army, criminal, this and that and this. Know you that the more you are calling IPOB a criminal, you yourself, you are a criminal. I thought that you are wise enough. At least you speak like somebody that is knowledge, but you are nothing. That is why they say passing six is not a passing sense. You are so stupid and so selfish. You don't know what you are doing. They have bribed you through Ijele Udele. Listen to me. Okigwe is not Olo. Okigwe is not also, and Okigwe can never be also. You can never achieve any money here in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. You see that money you have made in Olo, you can never achieve it in Okigwe. Okigwe is not Olo. So you better go and look for work to do. You have been saying all sorts of all manner of things against me. Being Gentle De Yahoo. My brother, I am bigger than you. Bigger than you. You are more than a dead rat. You know nothing. You are so selfish. The only way to end all these things, Udele, forget about all these things that you are moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. It can never work out for you any longer. You get that? If you are doubting and debating on it, Udele, let us just fix a referendum. In fact, let us make it a kind of politics. Udele, stand like this, Gentle, stand like this. Let's see who will win the vote. Udele, the only way out of all these things is to divide this nation. Is to divide Nigeria. Biafra is tired of being in Nigeria. We are tired of being in Nigeria. So my brother has Rogegawa. Let referendum be conducted so that the people will decide on their own. You are not the mind of the people. You are not the mind of the people, and you can never be the mind of the people. What is your problem for this life? You have signed to be a Nigeria. Be your Nigeria and go your own way. Stop disturbing the people. Stop propagandering around. Stop colluding with people around. Setting them work to do. The same place that you people sent Fulani in uniform, Boko Haram, Iswap ISIS, Al-Qaeda, to go and set ablaze, to go and burn down. You people are turning back now, videoing all those areas, bringing it up on the net, telling the people this is the work of the Biafra Liberation. And thank God Okigwe have open eyes and Okigwe have known the truth. So you people should stop causing havoc in Okigwe. You people should stop causing havoc in Okigwe, in Imo State, in Southeast. Stop causing havoc in all these areas. Southeast is very calm and quiet. Focus and face north, where Boko Haram is swamp at certain houses, churches, people kidnapping everywhere. I am still saying it. Since in Bidoro struggle, okwa na memele kidnapping, okwa na owo hikam nezu, that this movement, okwa na mabola people show more than shit here mego. Man okwa na we fala Biafra. But owo na meme be fun lilo, la unni na we la collude together. Let apply all this evil against Gentle and my people, against Biafrans, against Butos, against all of us, against B44, against Owama, against Oboble Butos, against all of us. Bitakola and all the rest, against all of you. God in heaven, the gods of the land, the Biafra land, will punish all of you. All that grave that you people have been opening for us. Shameless people, shame to you people. Rubbish elements, rubbish people. Stupid set of people. Biafra has open eye. We can never be deceived anymore. And we are the ancestors, those that fought, and Nigeria thought that they have won them. That they have won them. We are back, and we must fight this fight to the end. Stupid set of people. Biafrans, I greet all of you. Do not be deceived by any man. Okigwe, stand resolute. Remember where you are. Okigwe is lively. Okigwe is moving on. Everywhere is moving on. Udele, the same disaster you have set up in Oso, you can never try it in Okigwe. Bear it in mind. A really mad, idiotic human being. Agakwala chaka ono cho hena mugu. Ena chegi je treat kidney problem okay. Who do you think that we provide it here in Okigwe? Okigwe doesn't have that money to give to you. Mugu. Ewu. A playful mother. I don't have much to say than to appreciate all Biafrans all over the continent, all the supporters of Biafrans. Good day and God bless all of you.